What's up, Driving Line? Welcome back to another episode of Cars and Kelly. Today we are at Moulin, which is a French restaurant in Newport Beach. They host the last Sunday of every month a Cars and Cafe, and today's special theme is antiques and exotics. We've seen a ton of Porsches, a couple Ferraris, a P1, and a lot of really cool older cars, so let's check it out. Pretty standard Newport Beach on a Sunday. This is actually Jeff Swartz's 906 Carrera 6, and if you don't know who Jeff is, he's actually a pretty famous race car driver for Porsche, I think a couple other brands as well, and helped direct movies such as The Art of Racing in the Rain. Anybody that watches my vlog the last couple episodes knows how excited I get when I see pistas because they're my favorite Ferrari right now. This is the new Pista Spider, which I haven't seen any of them yet actually. I think people are just now taking delivery of them, and it looks pretty cool, although I'd probably get the hard top myself. This is my good friend Anish. This is his new Supra. How long have you had it?
I've had it 3 weeks now.
Oh shoot, 3 weeks.
And it's a launch edition car, so they're hard to get. That's
awesome. This is literally the new BMW key, except that the BMW one has the M stripe on the side. Come on! No, I'm not gonna start it. Looks like a BMW. Smells like a BMW. It has the same shift knob too. It looks cool though. B58 from like the new 3 and then the Z4, the 40i. I can't hate. I'm a BMW fan. I like it. Oh, we got a blue M3 CS2, which is a super lightweight version of the M3. Okay, Driving Line, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Cars and Kelly. As you can tell, the food looks just as good as the cars do, and I'm excited to go eat, so I'll see you guys again. Bye! Bye.